viewers. I am Dr. Shyamanta Barua, a practicing dermatologist at Dibrugarh, Assam. Today, I'm here to talk about hair and hair care, as we all know is the crowning glory of men and women alike. And every one of us want beautiful, healthy, lustrous and shining hair. In the next few minutes, I shall be talking about the best hair care measures to achieve that. First and foremost is to keep your hair clean with regular use of shampoos and conditioners. Now here, the type of shampoo that you use will be based on the type of hair that you have. If you have dry and frizzy hair, it is best to go for moisturizing or conditioning shampoos, and it's just the reverse if you have an oily scalp. Next is the oiling of the hair. Now here I'd like to mention that once or twice oiling of the hair suffices for most. What is more important is that you massage the oil into the hair roots and wash off the oil as fast as possible. I would also like to mention here the increasing fashion of going for spa treatments. Now, fashion may not go hand in hand with good and healthy hair, especially when you go for procedures like hair straightening or hair bonding, because these affect the hair roots and might in fact be a cause of hair fall. So be very selective and very vigilant when you select your spa options. The most important thing for good and healthy hair is what you eat. So make sure that you have a balanced and nutritious diet. The protein in our diet is what that contributes to hair growth. For vegetarians, the common sources of protein would be milk, paneer, cheese, pulses, soya bean, and like. For the non-vegetarians, of course, meat and poultry products would offer you protein in high amounts that will lead to good and healthy hair. Besides proteins, we need to ensure that we have a good supply of vitamins like biotin and minerals like zinc from our diet, and this is best achieved if we incorporate green leafy vegetables and fruits in our diet. Also of importance is the role of various fruits and jaggery items and others for the omega-3 fatty acids that also help in hair growth. Next will be the role of regular exercise. Regular exercises will help increase the metabolism, and that will promote hair growth as well. There are several reasons: medical, hormonal, and drug related, which could lead to your hair fall. But here, before I delve into the medical aspects, I would like to point out a fallacy or a myth that is associated very commonly with hair fall. Please remember that it is normal for an individual to lose up to 100 hairs per day, and this is a normal physiological process. Very often we find patients coming to us panicking about 10 to 20 or even 50 hairs that are lost and that are counted every day as their hair fall count. So please don't worry, this is physiologic like any other physiologic processes in our body. Only when it goes beyond 100 hairs, and that too consistently over it long term, then only we need to actually address the other causes that might contribute to hair fall. Now here it is also important to note that the hair loss could be more than 100 on the days that you shampoo, and that is perfectly physiological because it is due to the mechanical friction of the hair roots while shampooing. So that is also to be taken into consideration when you count the number of hairs that you lose per day. Now, talking of the hormonal causes, it can affect both males and females. We have the androgenetic alopecia and the female pattern baldness, which could be due to various hormones. Now, this is where you need to consult your dermatologist, who will ensure a hormonal profile for you, get you tested for other possible causes of hair loss, and then treat you accordingly. I hope in these few minutes I've been able to tell you a few practical tips that will help you to